Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So this is a Charlie's Nail Art haul. So this is the Valentine's bit. I'm pretty sure there's a few extra bits in here as well, as always. So let's have a look and see. And I am a brand ambassador for Charlie's, as most of you know if you've been here for a while. So don't forget my code. It's Karina10. So this is all their social medias, and you get a personalised little note, which I think is really, really nice. And Charlie's all ready for Valentine's. Look at that. So let's have a look and see what we've got in here. Now, let me just have a quick sort. Hang on 1 second. Okay, I'm all sorted. I just had to double check exactly what was the new stuff and what wasn't. So first off, we'll start with the foils. So this is called Holographic Hearts. If I can get it open. So this is what it looks like. They're really, really holographic. And I like, they're sort of like, what do you call it? I can't remember what you call it. I can't think of the word off the top of my head. But how pretty are they? It's really, really pretty. So that is called Holographic Hearts. And the other new one is called Spring Fling. Oh. And it is in a clear backing, and you have your hearts, some dots, and some big daisies on there. But how cute is that? It's really, really cute. Really cute. So I will leave them out so I can do something with them. And the next new product is Rose Heart Charms. So these are like the roses you get, the flowers you get, but they're in the shape of a heart. So I got this colour. I did actually pick up two. So I got this set and this one, which has got the yellow in. So if you ordered one, if you just order one lot, you'll either get one with yellow and one with blue. But if you order two, then you'll get all the colours, which is the reason why I ordered two. But how pretty are they? There's a lot of detailing on them. Very pretty, look. That's super cute. So I'm going to leave them out as well. Put it in the bin. And then the next thing is mini metal lip charms. Let's take them off. So this is what they look like. Hopefully you can see that through the packet. I will take pictures and post them at the end. But they're really cute. They're small, but they're really, really cute. How cute are they? So you also got them. And we also have some more lip charms. So these are iridescent ones. How pretty are they? And you get 6. Very pretty. So as you can see with the black background, they're a different colour. But yeah, how pretty. They're really, really cute. Very cute. So I've got them as well. And there is also heart frame charms as well. Just get them off. So you get 2. And these are silver frames, and that's what they look like. Are they flat or curved? I think they're slightly curved, I don't know. But anyway, that's what they look like. Very, very, very cute, very cute. These are super cute. So these are Love Heart Bear Charms. And you get 2, and they are so cute. How cute are they? Hang on, let me turn him around. How cute. He's holding a little heart that says love on. How cute. And he's a cute little size. Look. That is so cute. So she's got them as well. And also 4mm red heart rhinestones. So this is what these look like. Very, very pretty. I can't remember how many you get in here. But you get enough to do quite a few designs. So you get them as well, which are very, very cute. All gearing up for Valentine's. And you also get double heart nail charms as well. So these are new. So you get 4 of these. And how cute are they? So it's a pink and white, and the white heart is moved forward and slightly off. And they're not very high, as you can see. But how cute are they? And the glitters, we have Pucker Up Lip Sequin Mix, which is this one. So this is 3 grams. So you have the inner bits and you also have the cutouts, which is pink, iridescent, and as you can see, red. They always come in handy, always come in handy. And we also have a new glitter mix, which is called Hot Throb. And this is also, I believe, it's 3 grams as well. I will take all the glitters out and take some pictures at the end, just so I don't know how long this is going to be. But this is called Heart Throb, which is, it looks like it's an iridescent mix. You have the hearts, you have some hexagons in there as well. You have a fine iridescent glitter in there as well. Very, very pretty. I can't wait to see what it looks like at the back. And these ones are 4 grams. So these 3 are mixed actually by Charlie's, so you can't get them anywhere else. So this one is called Desire, and it looks like there is red mylar, iridescent pink. There's some hearts in there, iridescent and iridescent pink. Fine in there. Very, 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 very pretty. So that is that one there. And also Black Hearted, which is one of my favourites. It's really, really pretty. It's a really nice sort of, it's like a darker pink with black, and you've got, looks like you've got hearts in there as well. I will obviously, when I tip them out, you'll be able to see at the end. It looks like there's some, are they hexagons or dots? I think they're hexagons. But look how pretty that is. And look at the shimmer in it. Oh, it's so pretty. And then the last glitter mix is called Heart of Ice. And this is, looks like, oh, there's purple hearts in there. Oh, wow. Oh, they're so pretty. And you've got hexagons, different size hexagons in there. Very, 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 very pretty. Look at that. Oh, wow. Just look at that. Oh, I can't wait to tip that out and get some pictures of that. So this is the new Valentine stuff. So obviously I did order extras. So let's get on to the extras. So I ordered another lot of the Forbidden Plum hexagon mix. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. I really, really like it. So I picked up another one of them. I also picked up the metallic hexagon mix in Sapphire, just because I think it's absolutely stunning. I had to pick another one of them up. And I also picked up Rose Pink. And also the Pure Matte White as well. And also red metallic mylar shards, just because I really, really like this. This came in the advent calendar. And I also picked up some of the rose gold caviar beads. Starting to collect them now. I need to find somewhere where I can get these pots with this lid, because that's what all my caviar beads are in. Just random, in case you know anywhere. And I also picked up some more of these snowflake charms, just because I think they're absolutely beautiful. And also picked up some of the amethyst pointed horse eye gems. I can't speak. So that's what they look like. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then I picked up a whole bunch of other stuff as well. I'll just very, very quickly run through it. So I picked up some wood decals, because there's a sales section. So I thought I would grab these. So I don't know if they will still be on there or not. So I picked up that one. And I picked up that one as well. Really, really pretty. This one. And, oh, and this one. Just because these ones come in very, very handy. So I picked up them. And I also picked up a bunch more of foils. I'm not going to get them all out. So this is Ring Around a Rosie, which is a blue one. I also picked up another one of the yellow ones. I recently did a set with this. I picked up a Night Flower. Pink Posy Flowers. I also picked up retro flowers, monochrome flowers. These are all extras. Floral Delight. I know, I'm terrible. Sweet Bloom, because I really do like this one. I've actually used this on regular polish. And I also picked up Floral Waltz and Groovy Daisy. Sorry. And also Fallen Poppy, which obviously is Poppy's really, really pretty. I picked up another green one, which is English Country Garden. And then the last thing in this haul is Lilac Floral. So they are all my Charlie's Nail Art goodies. So let me just bung these ones to the side. So don't forget, if you place an order at Charlie's, don't forget my discount code. There will be a direct link to Charlie's below. Let me just bring these down just so you can see them all. Give me 1 second. So there you go. That's all the new Charlie stuff. I'm just trying to turn my light around. So that's all the new Charlie's Valentine's stuff. She also has the Valentine's nail art box as well. So that's always worth picking up in case, you know, you don't want all of it or you can't decide. You can buy one of the nail art boxes and you'll get so much of the new stuff within it. So they're very, very good. They're a good deal. Very good price as well. Well, that's enough of my ramblings for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts down below. Is there something you want me to use straight away, or I will just work my way through them? And yeah, just let me know your thoughts on the new stuff. And as I said, I will post pictures of the glitter mixes and this stuff at the end, just so you can have a closer look. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to use my discount code, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.